Physics,
A very
Government
good evening
Postgraduate
to all.
College,
Myself Garima Puneta, Department.
Berina Pithodagar. I will present the lecture on weak interaction. The content of the lecture is classification of weak interaction, theory of weak interaction, history of weak interaction, Fermi theory of weak interaction, current theory of weak interaction, gauge theory of weak interactions. Since weak interaction is the weakest known fundamental interaction, it is propagated by intermediate vector boson that have significant masses of about 80 to 90 GeV per c square. These carrier particles has a very short range. It is only interaction capable of changing the flavor of quarks. It is only interaction which violates p or purity symmetry and cp symmetry. The purity violation, the tau theta puzzle indicate that the weak interaction does not conserve purity. The first most famous experiment was conducted on the beta decay of cobalt by CSW and E. Ambler. By measuring the emission of the decay electron along or against the orientation of nuclear spin, any asymmetry can be detected. If the asymmetry were detected in the emission of decay electron, the real world and the mirror world would be distinguished as shown in figure. In an if an symmetry were detected in the emission of decay electron, the real world and the mirror world would be indistinguishable as shown in the figure. Classification of weak interaction: purely leptonic processes, semi-leptonic processes, non-leptonic processes. Purely leptonic processes involve only leptons such as muon decay. Semi-leptonic processes involve both leptons and hydrons such as neutron beta decay. Leptonic processes involve only hydrons such as pionic decay or the kaons. Fermi theory of weak interaction. The first attempt to construct a theory of weak interaction was made by Enrico Fermi in 1932. He expressed the interactions as the four fermion interacting at a single point. The amplitude of the decay is given in the following slide. Gf is the Fermi coupling constant, and in 1956, Li and Yang proposed the interaction factor is a mixture of vector and axial quantities. In beta decay, left-handed electrons are found to be predominant and only left-handed helicity neutrinos exist. The current theory of weak interaction is also explained in the corresponding slides. The lepton wave function always comes in pairs and describe the flow of lepton weak during the weak interactions. Whenever an electron neutron is absorbed, an electron is created, and equivalently, whenever an electron neutrino is created, a positron is also created. The first order amplitude of all the leptonic processes is given in the corresponding slide, and the second order amplitude is also given. The weak interaction of lepton and hydron. The total weak interaction current is given. The weak interaction amplitude is also explained. The hydron current is speculated to consist one part which conserves the homogeneous of the participating hydrons and of one part that changes it. The relative strength of the two components is governed by the Cabibbo angle, which is a parameter intrinsic to the weak interactions. The W bosons, which are the mediator of weak interactions, are denoted by W. The essence of W mechanism is that the lepton current no longer coupled directly to itself at a single point in a space-time, but instead of a W boson wave function, which at some different space-time point couples with the conjugate current. The basic weak interaction amplitude is thus the coupling of the current with the W boson wave function W. Basic leptonic processes defining the charge states required of the W is also shown in the corresponding slide. The basic weak interaction processes mediated by W exchange process also shown. The higher order interactions are also represented. The relation between the old coupling constant GF and the new coupling constant G is also shown in the corresponding slide. The gauge theory of weak interactions, the postulates of the gauge theory of weak interactions is also explained in the corresponding slides. The Lagrangian should remain invariant under the group of isospin rotations. The gauge symmetry requires the introduction of gauge particle to ensure invariance of the Lagrangian. Spontaneous symmetry breaking. The symmetric state is not the state of minimum energy, and that the process of evolving towards the maximum energy state, the system breaks its intrinsic symmetry. The initial position of the marble in the figure is symmetric but not the minimum energy. A small perturbation will cause the rotational symmetry to be broken and the system to ensure the state of minimum energy. The original Lagrangian representing the wine bottle shape of the interaction energy and demand that it is invariant under the local gauge transformation and is shown in the corresponding figure. Thus, we can redefine the function and write the Lagrangian in terms of defined wave function in the following slide as given in the slide. The original Lagrangian consists of two component wave functions psi1, psi2 and a massless vector gauge field which consists of two polarization state. The redefined Lagrangian consists of one massive particle and the so-called gauge Higgs particle, and